guys, it's Samantha. Thanks for stopping back and visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be making a card that features this really cool stamp and die set called Cheeky Modern Pop. My friend Jess over at Matter of Crafts sent this to me maybe a month or two ago, and I thought it'd be fun to use it. I will have her Instagram account and YouTube channel linked down in the description. For this card, we're going to be making like a pop-up window card, and I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but that's what I'm calling it. I'm going to start out with an A2 sized card, and I'm going to put it in my stamp platform. I have another magnet somewhere, but I can't find it, so instead what I'm going to do is use a little bit of washi tape just to help keep things in place. I'm going to take my little rainbow stamp. Oh, the other thing is these stamps are made out of silicone, and I have a video that shares some tips for stamping with inexpensive stamps like these. I will have that linked down in the description as well, because these are a little bit different than when you're stamping with photopolymer. I'm going to place the stamp in sort of the center of the card, maybe a little bit above the center, and I'm going to put the lid on. So this is the We Are Memory Keepers Precision Press Advanced. One of the things that I have found is that the lid is supposed to go with the feet down, but I don't like using it that way. I actually like using it with the feet up, and I've also removed the cushiony base thing. It was just getting really dirty and gross looking. I'm going to ink up my stamp with some black dye ink. I'm going to ink it up. Then I'm going to place it down, stamp it. I didn't get a very good impression, so I'm just going to remove the magnet since I have this washi tape holding the card in place, and re-ink, or re-stamp, I guess. Okay, then since this stamp set came with a coordinating die, I'm going to die cut it. I'm going to do that off camera, and I will be right back. After die cutting, I have my little die cut, and you'll notice I have this really cool window in my card. What I'm going to do is pop this up on some foam dots so that it'll stick through the window. One thing that I discovered though is that it will catch because the window is the exact same size as the die. What I'm going to do is fussy cut all along the edge. I'm going to do that off camera because it's really boring to watch. I'll be right back. Now it's all fussy cut. I wanted to show you something quickly with your fussy cut or die cut images. They look so much more finished if you ink around your edges with a black marker. I'm going to do that, and it looks pretty good like that, but watch. You'll see that it just gives it more of a finished look for some reason. I don't know. I saw it on a video Jennifer McGuire did, and I thought it was a really great idea. She got it from Kathy Rakusin, I believe. Next, we're going to color this, and this rainbow doesn't have room to do the whole RGBiv theme, so instead we're going to do red, yellow, green, blue, purple. I have this hodgepodge mishmash assortment of alcohol ink markers. I'm not going to do any blending. I'm just going to color it in. We'll start off with red. Something I've noticed is that I have been reaching for bright rainbow colors lately, and I think it's because it's just been so dark and dreary out where I live. We're in the middle of winter. While I'm not a huge fan of summer, I definitely am missing the sunshine and being outside in my hammock, looking up at the trees. So this is my attempt to bring a little bit of sunshine into my life and into someone else's life. So we've got red, yellow. We're going to go with green next. This is a Copic. The red was a Spectrum Noir Colorista. The yellow was a Spectrum Noir. This green is YG17. Then we are going to go in with a blue. It's B16. It's a Copic. I have such a hodgepodge mishmash of markers because when I first started card making and stamping, I really experimented with different markers and which ones I liked best, and so far I think my favorites are Copics. They do cost quite a bit of money, so I'm collecting them one at a time with a coupon. I haven't bought any for a couple months. I don't know, I haven't felt the need to. I've got quite a lot of markers, and I don't know, when I feel the need to collect more, maybe I will do so. But when I do feel the need to get more, I will probably just stick with Copics because I like them. So there we have this sweet little rainbow, all colored, and we're gonna put some foam dots on the back. I'm gonna put these markers away and I'll be right back. I've got my foam dots, foam squares. I like these because they're black. Usually foam like dots and tape come in white. So I'm a fan of the black foam tape and foam dots and whatnot. There we go. That's going to go in there just like that. I do want to put a sentiment on the front, and it's a little bit tricky to do that when you have like a dimensional piece. So we're gonna pop this guy back into the stamping platform. For this, I'm going to use a Hampton Arts stamp set. This is a really cool layering one that I got quite a while ago. I'm going to use this Sending Happy Thoughts stamp. Pop that out. And I'm going to layer it, or not layer it, I'm going to line it up under the rainbow. And stamp it. There we go. I'm going to remove the tape from my foam dots. Then I'm going to take my glue and put a tiny dot on the back of each foam square just for a little bit of extra added security. You see? Make sure you put the lid or pin in your glue bottle ASAP because this stuff clogs fast. I'm going to line it up in the center of that window just like that. You'll see, closed, it's like that. Open, it's like that. I think I'm going to add a few tiny sequins. Now that those sequins are in place, I think that I want to add just a little bit more to my rainbow. I'm going to take a white gel pen and add some tiny white accents. Like that. I'm going to take my Wink of Stella in clear and I'm going to brush it onto the rainbow. One of the things I've noticed with Wink of Stella is you do want to avoid like the white gel pen lines because it will smear it. I have to kind of pick it up so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. And there we go. I don't know if that's going to pick up too well. Hopefully you can see the glitter, but if not, it's there and you'll just have to believe me. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting my channel, watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you again soon. Bye.